So now we are going to study about media and democracy. Okay, as you know that on the basis of information provided by media, citizens can learn how government works. Okay, like if the government is taking some sort of decision and people are if in the favor of that decision, it is good. But if they are not in decision and they want government to rethink over it, then the ways used by people can be like public protest, signature campaign, writing letter to a concerned minister, etc. Okay, here they have given some of the examples like the News of India report that there was some sort of protesters. These protesters were the laborers of a factory. Okay, and they don't want that factory should get closed, because if the factory got closed, how they will earn their livelihood. But the News of India report was only putting the bad impression of protesters, that due to just because of these protesters there is a lot of traffic in the city. But on the other hand, India Daily report was telling the reason that why the people are protesting, and the fear for protesting was that the reason of protesting was that loss of livelihood if factory got closed. Okay, balanced report, it should be there. Balanced report should be there, that it should discuss all the points of a story and leaves on reader to make decision, to make their own opinion. Independent media, that independent media is like totally independent, that one should not control the media, one should not influence its coverage. Like some of the things that control media can be like controlled by government in the form of censorship. Okay, like government used to ask director producers, or government used to interrupt by saying that please deduct this news, please deduct this scene, this dialogue. uh, okay, so taking in consideration, government used to control by the way of censorship, like by big business houses. Okay, even big business houses also try to make their control over media. Okay, so setting agenda, that what stories should be covered. Okay, it includes that what stories should be covered. Like if there is simple, if there is just only a function in your school, okay, nobody will bother to a great extent. But if a special guest will come there, like for example Navjot Kaur Sidhu or Shwet Malik or any other important personality, then every news channel will come to your school to, means most of the news channel will come to your school to cover that news story. Okay, local media besides this, that local media can be like through the radio. Okay, information to be provided to farmers through the radio. That another example you can take in consideration is through Khabar Lahriya. Okay, it is also a newspaper and it is run by the ladies of Chitrakoot. And this newspaper um, covers the issues related to Dalits, especially Dalit women. Okay, especially Dalit women. So, in this way, this was the chapter Understanding Diversity. Thank you.